In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your schedules. To do this, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you are logged in to the location that has your schedules. Then choose Schedules. You should arrive at a list of your current schedules. You might notice that I only have 2 entries at the moment. These are my only active schedules. If you want to see your previous schedules that have already been completed, click the Show Inactive button in the upper right-hand corner. This will allow you to see all of your previous schedules. When viewing my schedules, I can see the schedule name, when it started, when it ended, how many shifts were not assigned or were empty, the total number of shifts, whether or not the schedule was published, whether or not the schedule was approved, if the schedule was archived, and how many working hours were in that schedule. That's how you can view your schedules in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to add and delete schedules.